The valves are located at the front bottom of the intake manifold, red arrows, and cannot be accessed without removing the intake from the engine. Please see our article and video on intake manifold removal for step-by-step instructions by following the link at the end of this video. The valves are mounted onto the front of the manifold by 4 sturdy plastic clips, red arrows. To remove the valve, you need to squeeze in and hold the clips together while sliding the valve off the mount. With the valve off the mount, push in the metal clip on the electrical connection and separate it from the valve, as indicated by the red arrow. Pay close attention to the routing of the lines attached to the valve, as it is a tight fit to get everything back together. Carefully remove the lines from the valve, red arrow. It's a good idea to replace these lines even if you get them off successfully. A crack or leak in the old line later will mean removing the intake manifold again. Replacement of the other valve is the same procedure again, using care with the rubber lines. Installation is the reverse of removal. Thanks for watching. Click here to view the original article along with hundreds of other DIY content for your car.